Hello there guys, in this video let's make this text effect in Canva. So first of all we're gonna open up a presentation in Canva. Then what we're gonna do is just simply go to apps, and from here what we're gonna search for is an app named text. We're just gonna search text. Then you have to go to this app called Text Studio Maker. From here we're gonna use this spectacular splash, and we're going to use a suitable font. So splash is nice. Now what we're going to do is just change and type our text. Now we're going to click on a letter spacing and line height. We can change the letter spacing from here and line height from here. Now let's just click on add to design. Here we go, we have it right here. You can change that font and then add it as well by removing the previous one and adding a new one. Next, what we can do is just change the background fill. I am gonna go with the gradient. Here we have a variety of colors. You can just use any color you wish to use. So yeah, I'm gonna go with dark blue, but let me just give it a gradient of purple and blue, or maybe we could just go with dark blue again. Here we go. So yeah, this is the final result of what we made in this video, and if you like this video, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe.